Hello everyone. Hope you all can remember the screen what is there in this, isn't it? These are the questions that I assigned you to do it in the previous video. Now let's see to answer them one by one. Come, let's move on to the questions. Okay, then let's come to question number 1. This is what I gave you. Y plus 8 over 3 is equals to 5. So when we do that, first I told we have to remove the 3. When we are removing the 3, it's a division. You bring it to the other side, becomes 5 into 3. Will give you 15. Now you have to remove this 8 to the other side, becomes minus 8. So y is equals to 15 minus 8 will give us y is equals to 7. Okay? Okay. Then let's move on to the question number 2. Let's see that. 5b over 2 minus 3 is equals to 2. So in that, first we remove the minus 3 because it's an attachment. Remove the minus 3 to the other side, becomes plus 3. 2 plus 3. So 5b over 2 is equals to 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Now we have to remove the 2. It's a division. When you bring it to the other side, we multiply. So 5b is equals to 10. We don't want the value of 5b. We have to find the value of b. So both sides we divide by 5. So b will give us as 2. Okay. Now let's move on to the question number 3. Let's read that to see. 2p plus 3 over 4 is equals to 5. So in that, first we have to remove the 4. It's a division. When you bring it to the other side, it's a multiplication. So 2p plus 3 is equals to 20. Now remove the 3 to the other side, gives us minus 3. So 2p is equals to 17. We have to find the value of p. We divide both sides by 2. Therefore, p is equals to 17 over 2 will give us 8.5. Now let's go to the fourth question. M minus 3 over 2 plus 1 is equals to 4. Now you know how to do it. First we have to remove the plus 1. When you bring it to the other side, becomes minus 1. So M minus 3 over 2 is equals to 3. Now remove the 2 to the other side. It becomes a multiplication. Then M minus 3 is equals to 6. Bring the minus 3 to the other side, becomes plus 3. Therefore, M is equals to 9. Okay. Hope the 4 questions were correct, isn't it? Now let's move on to question number 5. Now in that, as I explained in the previous video, we can see there are 2 fractions. When there are 2 fractions, I told you to go and check the LCM and multiply everybody with the LCM. So in that case, 3 and 5, what is the LCM of 3 and 5? Which is 15. So we multiply everybody with 15. So 3 times 1, 3 times 5. So 5 into 2m is 10m. 5 times 1, 5 times 3. So 3 into 3m is 9m is equals to 15. So 10m minus 9m is equals to 15. So therefore m is equals to 15. Okay. Now let's see the 6th question. Read the 6th question. 4 bracket 3x over 2 minus 1 is equals to 12. So in that you can see there's the number 4 which is outside the bracket. So to remove that first, it's a multiplication. So you divide both sides by 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So the brackets will get opened up. 3x over 2 minus 1 is equals to 12 over 4 is 3. Now, this minus 1, you bring it to the other side, becomes plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3x over 2 is equals to 4. Now remove the 2, you bring it to the other side, you multiply. 2 into 4 will give us 8. Now both sides you divide by 3. Will give us x is equals to 8 over 3, which is 2.6. Let's see the 7th question. Y plus 1 over 2 plus y minus 3 over 4 is equals to half. So in that we have expressions on the expressions as the numerator. So still we have to take the LCM and multiply the whole equation with the LCM. So this you multiply with 4, this also with 4, and you also with 4. So 2 and 4 will give you 2. So 2 bracket y plus 1. You have to always remember to put a bracket. Then here this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. So where is 1? We don't write 1. So it's y minus 3. And this 2, 1, 2, 2, which is 2. So now as a normal linear equation, we can solve the sum. 2 into y is 2y. 2 into plus 1 is 2. Y minus 3 is equals to 2. So 2y and y will give us 3y. Plus 2 minus 3 will give us minus 1. So you move that minus 1 to the other side, becomes plus 1. So 3y is equals to 3. So divide both sides with 3 will give us y as 1. Now as a final question, the 8th question. In that also you can see the expressions are written as the numerator. So here again the LCM is 6. So each and every part we multiply by 6. Very good. Remember to multiply everybody. So 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So 3x plus 1. Don't forget the bracket. Then 3 times 1, 3 times 2. So 2x. 8 into 6 will give us 48. So now we have to remove the bracket. 3 into x is 3x. 3 into 1 is 3. Plus 2x is equals to 48. 3x and 2x will give us 5x. Then this plus 3, you bring it to the other side, becomes minus 3. Now 5x is equals to 45. So both sides we divide by 5. So x is equals to 9. So with that we are coming to the end of fractional equations. Hope you all understood this part very clearly and hope your answers are correct. If it is wrong, please recheck and do it once again. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.